Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this is a little green cordless vacuum cleaner wet vac thing, so we can clean up after my little stinking dog that pisses everywhere. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see what all's in here. So let's see, we got I guess this is a measuring cup for measuring stuff. We have a scrubber, we have some other parts. Here, get all this stuff out here. Everything. So this is it in here. There we go. Comes with some cleaning stuff. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. So you see you've got the hose, which is very well taped up. Okay. So we're gonna have to fill it up, and this should clean it here. So it looks like here's the brush. So that'll go on like that. And then we'll have I guess this is gonna be the button to make it go. And this will be the button to take it off. So let's fill this thing up and give this thing a little try here, see what happens. And I guess these are other just little attachments to do stuff here. So to clean it and whatnot. So let's see, how do you think this works? Probably gonna have to figure out how the battery works and everything. It looks like there's a little connector here, which I guess is gonna be for this thing. Probably to hold the little bracket on. I don't know if you guys can see, probably. It'll be like that, so then it'll hold the little device on there. So there we go. So hopefully you guys can see that. So that's how that's gonna work. We have, looks like a fill tank on one side, and then the other side on the other side. And I guess that's how you get this connected, and then this is how we're gonna charge it. So we're gonna charge it up and give it a shot.